Hello everyone, I'm coming back to you with my Publix shopping trip, Thursday, November 19th. I picked up most of the sale BOGO items that I needed and wanted this go around. So let's jump into it and see what I got. I picked up the Chobani Coconut Yogurt single serve. That was $1.25. I had a digital coupon, buy one, get it free. So that was a freebie for me. I picked up 4 Lipton Onion soup mixes at 99 cents. That made it $3.96 for the 4 boxes. I used 60 cents off of 2. That brought it down to $2.76. And I also used, and that came out from Retail Me Not $11.15. I also used a Publix coupon, $1 off 2, and I used 2 of those. That brought it down to 76 cents for 4 boxes, or 19 cents each for Lipton Onion soup mix. I picked up 2 Cabot cheese bars. They were BOGO, $4.49. I used 1. I went to Cabot.com and printed out a $1 coupon off of 2. That brought the price down to $3.49. And then I used a Publix coupon. When I say Q, a Publix coupon. I used 2 of those. That brought, for $1 each, that brought the total down to $1.49 for 2, or 75 cents each. The Hammer Clean Simple was BOGO, $6.49. I picked up 2. I used the Publix Q that was in the paper. I used 2 of those. That was $1.50 off each. That brought the total down to $3.49. From coupons.com, I printed $1 off 1 Hammer detergent. That brought it down to $2.49. And then in the Smart Source 1025, there was $1 off 1. That brought the total down to $1.49 for 2, or 75 cents each. Breakstone sour cream was BOGO for $2.39. Ibotta was giving you 75 cents off of each one. So that brought my total down to 89 cents for 2, or 45 cents each. Breyer's ice cream was BOGO, $5.84. I had a birthday coupon that Breyer sent me for $1 off 1. I can get 2 prints, so I printed off 2. That brought my total down to $3.84 for 2, or $1.92 each for the Breyer's ice cream. Sara Lee pound cake was on BOGO for $3.89. Ibotta was giving you $1 back on each, so that brought my total down to $1. And I got 2 back, so that brought my total down to $1.89 for 2, or 95 cents each. Fisher Chief Natural Baking Nuts were BOGO, $5.99. I used 2 $1 off coupons. That brought my total down to $3.99. And Ibotta was giving you back $1 on each. So that brought my total down to $1.99, or $1 each. Sun-made raisins were BOGO for $6.69. Ibotta was giving you back 75 cents. So that brought my total down to $3.17 for 2, or $1.59. Kraft cheese BOGO, $4.49. No coupons. Ibotta was giving you 50 cents off of each one you bought. So that brought my total down $3.49 for 2, or $1.75 each. The Marzetti, I think it's Marzetti salad dressing, was BOGO for $3.99. About Ibotta was giving you back $1 on each, so that brought my total down to $1.99 for 2 or $1 each. With my coupons, I paid $31. Let me start. My total before coupons were $46.20. After coupons, it was $31, and I got back Ibotta money, $25. So I end up paying $6 for all of these items. Just $6. I don't think that was too bad. And I don't know how many items I got. Let me see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 22, 24, 25. Looks like 25 items I got for $6. I don't think I did too bad, you guys. As always, I have all the information in the description box if you want to go ahead, and if you have Publix in your area and you want to go ahead and take advantage of some of these deals. Alright, that's all I have for you today on our Publix shopping trip. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.